Hello guys, good morning. So I am going to get my hair done, and I'm getting it done in Portsmouth. So I drove from my house about 25 minutes to come here, and I'm with these two little girls. Say hello. Because I've got nowhere to leave them.
Hello.
Zara is meant to be, today is only Wednesday, and she was meant to be in school, but she is sick. She's got a sore throat, she's got a cold, and we're suspecting it might be COVID. And I'm just having my breakfast because I thought initially Scott wasn't going to be going to work, so he was going to stay with the kids, and then I come to get my hair done. And then Scott's work wants him to come to work early. That means I can't just leave the kids at home. So I've come with them to get my hair done. So I washed my hair. You know I had cornrows. I'm gonna get cornrows again.
She cut
I
it
know.
up now.
Boring. When you've got kids. Just being realistic here. So you guys, you know that I had sister locks and I caught them. And
She's getting more.
now I'm going to get cornrows.
Again.
So come with me to get my cornrows. I can't wait for the glow up. I'm gonna show you. Zara, can you pass me one of the braids? I will show you guys the braids that I'm gonna use. I've got these, so these ones I'm gonna be putting them at the end, and then these ones, like the expression, these are the ones that I'm gonna be putting from here to there. And then this one it's called Angels. I bought them from Zimbabwe, so it's to put at the ends of the hair so that it's curled. That's it. So let's go and get the hair done. It opens, but I can't get in for some. Do I pull or do I push? Oh my god, Sarah, can you hold here? I don't know if you pull. Hi guys, guess what happened? I got to that house and this lady had two other people in front of me. So yeah, she was like, oh, I was scared that what if you don't come. So I'm here, I'm just you're going into this shop. That looks nice. Come on. I'll see on the mirror. Oh, you're still gonna have to do that, yeah. Nice, I like it. Guys, I am actually fuming. I am fuming. Like my Forogonia is on 100%. That's not it. Chichocho. Guess what? I actually went there to do my hair nicely, and did it. I booked this appointment a month ago, and this time I was organized, booked my hair. It was on my calendar, hair day. I'm gonna go and get my hair day. I had everything planned out. I even bought my braids yesterday. That's how organized I was, because normally when I'm getting my hair done, I buy the hair on the day, but this time around I was like, I want to be organized and get my things done in time. That's when I got there today, they are telling me actually there is 2 more people in front of you who wants to get hair. Like honestly, I drove 20 minutes from here in Southampton to go to Portsmouth. That's fuel that I put. That's 25 minutes of my life that I'm supposed to go there. In the morning, you should have seen the hassle that I've gone through getting ready the kids to go with the kids there. And I even texted this woman 3 days ago, and I told her I need to come there early so that I can go and pick my daughter from school. And then this lady is just telling me, oh, actually, I will start your hair 5 p.m. from 9:30 that we agreed to 5 p.m.
Get away.
Like honestly, like why? And the excuse that she has given me is that some people doesn't turn up, so I just tell people to come because some people doesn't turn up. Like, time is money. Hello guys, so this is the hair. I think it's worth it. I love it. But no excuses for treating me like that. No, that wasn't right, man, to stay all that long for me to get this hair done. But I just want to come here and just to encourage you mommies to just go and get that glow up. I want to try to actually do this all the times so that, you know, I do things that I love. Because to be honest, when you put your eyelashes, you feel good, isn't it? When you do your nails, you feel good, you feel confident, you feel great. So why not do things that makes you great and that makes you feel confident? So, you know, I was talking about like the foot massage, like when you go for pedicure, you actually feel better. Your feet actually feel better because we're always on our feet. We're working on our feet all the time. So why don't we spoil ourselves? I mean, why don't we spoil ourselves? So anyway, right now I'm just on my way to go and get my foot done. That's pedicure, a little massage of my feet. I deserve it. I deserve everything in this world, everything good. I live once, and when I die, and I'm gonna die once. So I want to be able to look after myself and to do things that makes me feel more confident, and to do things that puts me first sometimes. Because remember, this is not like an everyday thing, especially the pedicure. I try to do it maybe every 3 months. But then things like my eyelashes, I want to keep up getting infused all the time. So I'm gonna go and get a pedicure, and then afterwards I'm going to get my eyelashes infused. As you can see, guys, just a little on left. So I'm just gonna go and get infused for my eyelashes today. The kids are with dad, so it's a win, it's a win, it's a win. But I am loving this new me that's just embracing me, putting me first. I mean, I'm gonna give you a breakdown of how much I've used with everything so that you know. I mean, pick a shift, just one shift that is dedicated to you, to your body, just to thank your body, to just say thank you, body, for keeping up with me. Thank you, body, for taking me to work. I mean, I've got ugly feet, the ugliest feet that you've ever seen, but they are mine, and I have to love them and embrace them and do anything possible for me to feel a little bit confident. Because I will tell you, I wouldn't even wear sandals when my my feet are not done, because I don't have a toe on one of my nails. It was, you know, it got off when I was still young, so it's really one of those ugly feet. But any little touch that I can do to make myself feel more confident, make myself look more sexy, why not do it? I mean, you're working for this money. I went to Zim. I tell you, my mom, she's always doing herself up. She's got her nails done, her hands nails, her toenails, everything is just up to date, you know. And they don't even have a lot of money, but here people actually work so hard and it's tiring, but people can't just pamper themselves. Like, why? Put yourself first. Nobody's gonna come and say, you know what, I'm gonna do this for you. I'm just lucky that this time this was because of Mother's Day, so the kids have done it for me through their dad. But besides that, nobody would actually lift their head up and say, you know what, Tari, you look rough, let's do this for you. Nobody will, except me. Not even my mom, not even my husband, not even the kids. They don't care if I look rough or what. They don't care. So you do care for yourselves, mommies. You do care for your moms. What else did I want to say? Anyway, that's it. Oh, I can't do my hand nails. I would love to do like a manicure for my hands, but I can't. I work in the healthcare. It's not allowed. Infection control, so I can't do that. So it's just the fit. We do what we have. We work with what we have. You do what makes you beautiful, gorgeous. You do what makes you happy, what makes you feel special, what makes you feel confident. You know, even kind of, Scott today was like, why are you looking so good these days? See, you notice that I'm looking good, but if I'm looking rough, he is just like, oh, whatever. So those little things, I'm not even doing it for my husband. I'm not even doing it for anybody, for anyone. I'm doing it for me. It makes me feel confident when I'm among others and my eyelashes are done. I feel like, you know, you feel like you've got it all together, even though you don't. You know, even when I go to work and my eyelashes are done, my eyebrows are done, it just makes me feel like, you know, yeah, I've got everything together. So like last night I was working. Today is Friday. Last night I was working, and I was working with this lady. She's from South Africa. She's like over 55 years old. She was like, oh, I actually got my eyebrow microblading done. I had my eyelashes, you know, those black thing that you put on top of your here, like a tattoo. She was like, oh, I got that done. Oh, I never skip my feet to be done. I never skip a pedicure. I never do this. I was like, you know what? This is a sign, because I am going to actually do this. And for you to actually say it, and she's 55 years old. And there was another Filipino girl as well, like she's over 50, and she was like, you girls, you need to do it. You don't realize very soon you're gonna be 50, very soon you're gonna be like approaching 60, and you're gonna realize all this time, why wasn't I looking for, you know, after myself? And it's a bit too late, or it's a bit like, you know, you feel like, just do it now. Look after yourself. You're working for yourself. And she was carrying a Michael Kors bag. She was like, look, my Michael Kors bag, I even bring it to work, because I'm not gonna buy a Michael Kors bag and leave it at home and say I'm gonna use it on special occasions. What if I die? I spend most of my time at work, so I want to feel special. I want to feel good holding my Michael Kors bag, you know, those big ones. I was like, right. They were like, we're even going for holiday. Our holidays for next year are planned, for this year are planned. I'm like, these are women that are in their 50s and they're looking after themselves. Why not us? I know we've got kids, but I mean, this week I've shown you guys that it's doable. We can do it. We put those kids, give them breast milk whilst you're getting your hair done. Let's get that glow back. Those are now, let's save money. Let's do this. Please, Chimbutimiri, wait there. Okay, we will save money when things are all right. We will do things that we are meant to do. For now, we want to glow as we save money. Okay, guys. Anyway, let me go and get my eyelashes done, and I'll show you a little video after my eyelashes have been done and my feet has been done. I'm excited. See you later, guys. Hello, how are you? I'll just get the normal one. Normally when it's tools, I just prefer white. White, please. Any square. I'll have square shape. I'm getting the massage from the chair as well. So yeah, and I'm actually lucky that it's not full. There's not a lot of people, so yeah, it's amazing. I can do the vlog in peace for you guys to actually have a look and see this. I really like this nail salon. I always come here.
I don't know, but I'm sure she has. I just don't know, because
so my eyelashes are done, as you can see. These are called like hybrid eyelashes. So there's classic where they just put like one eyelash per eyelash. This is like the hybrid, so it's a little bit on the expensive side, but maybe I think a difference of £5, because with this one, instead of putting one eyelash per eyelash, they'll be putting maybe 3 eyelashes per one eyelash to make it look more fuller. So yeah, I'm hoping this is gonna last me for at least 3 weeks, and then I'll come back for an infill. And an infill is only £25, and I'm just so excited that I've managed to do this. I just feel good about myself. I just feel like, you know, the self-love, I've done it for myself. To be quite honest, you just pick one shift and, you know, you're sorted. Because I feel like after every 6 weeks, I have to like revamp myself and do it again. No excuses. Get the kids, go get your hair done with them, go get your eyebrows done with them like I did. Maybe the eyelashes you can't really, because it takes like 1 hour 30 minutes or 2 hours, so you can actually take a nap whilst they're doing it, and you just need to concentrate, your eyes closed, shut. But I'm excited. I'm so happy. The next thing that I want to do is microblading, and I'm gonna do it. I know it's been 2 years that I've been saying I want to get microblading, but to be fair, it used to be really expensive, because when it started, people were charging like 300 400 pounds for it, and now it's gone down. I've seen people who are charging like 255 pounds, which is like a combination of the microblading and the ombre one, which makes it, that's the one that pops, and it was 255. So I really want to do that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick a shift for it, and then I'm gonna do it. Okay. I'm gonna do it. I don't even want to feel bad about doing stuff with my money that I work for. I don't want to feel bad about doing stuff with the money that I work so hard for. Okay, if I'm gonna take one shift to look after myself, I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna do microblading. I'm gonna do it. That's my next target. I wouldn't say this month or next month, but this year definitely. I wanted to do it when I went to Zim, and it was like $100 only to do it in Zim. And my mom was like, "You want to waste $100?" They made me feel so bad, and I didn't do it. So now I'm not even listening to that. I'm gonna do it. Anyway guys, see you again in the next vlog. Have a good day. I'm just driving to McDonald's. I want to buy a coffee because I feel really hungry, so I want to buy a coffee and maybe a muffin, and then I'll drive home. Yeah, and then I'll see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, to subscribe. Tell me what you think about this vlog. Tell me what you think about looking after yourself, mommies. Love you so much. Bye.